So as we talk about the benefits and features of LED light bulbs, the first benefit, the first feature is that um, it draws a lot less wattage than it does a regular incandescent lamp. Most incandescent lamps are 60 watt. LED lamps only draw about 11 watts per bulb, which means number one, you're going to be able to save on your electric bill. Number two, you'll be able to put more lights on a circuit, which means less circuits, which number three means you'll have less breakers to buy in your house. And then number four is that they draw less heat than incandescent lamps. A lot of incandescent lamps only draw so much heat it actually heats up your house, which in most cases in the summer you don't want that. You need to cool off, which means you won't have to use your air conditioner. And then the other feature is that you get actually a rebate from your power company. For most power companies, they offer a rebate when you put in LED because it actually takes wattage off their server and their grid. So that's the first one. The second one is the lifespan. The lifespan of LED is a lot longer than an incandescent, so which means you'll have less time having to change lamps out. You won't have to buy as many lamps. In a lot of cases, sometimes you have to hire an electrician to change some of these lamps out if they're too high or you can't get into the fixture for other reasons, so you won't have to do that. So your maintenance costs will be a lot less. And then your time that you have to do to spend. And the other thing is, a lot of times it's frustrating when you're trying to do something and all of a sudden your lamp goes out and either you don't have a lamp to put in or you have to go to the store and buy one. So gas saved, time saved. Then the third benefit that I want to talk about is dimming. Back in the day when there was incandescent, you actually had to buy special dimmers to dim every different kind of light bulb. There was an electronic dimmer, a magnetic dimmer, a halogen dimmer, and with the new LED lamps, it's just one dimmer, and it'll do a lot. And before, you could only put so many watts on each dimmer. So we're back to not having to have as many circuits going back to your electrical panel, and you can put more lights on the dimmer. In a lot of cases, dimmers were very, very expensive. So now you don't have to buy an expensive dimmer. You can buy a dimmer now for less than $20 that will dim these lights. And what's nice is if you're watching a movie, you can dim the lights down. The example I use is being able to eat ice cream while watching the movie. You don't have to have your lights blaring to eat your ice cream and can't see the TV. You can keep them kind of low to where you can still see your ice cream and eat. And the other thing, the lights dim actually together. So as you dim, all the lights go down together. So a lot of cool features about LED light bulbs that I just love selling, and I'm thankful that I get the opportunity to sell these lamps. It's a lot of fun, and you can show a lot of benefits to these. I appreciate your time, and thank you.